Okay. Okay, I'll bring you up to speed. First of all, those pieces fit in tighter than I ever thought. I thought I was going to have lots of gaps for concrete to get into. All I really have is a good solid hole. So I took my form board, I tilted it out to leave a gap. Close it up on the ends. I'm going to fill this with nice juicy. I'm going to do some nice juicy to run down in all the cracks there, and we'll try to fill the holes here and work it a little bit, and that'll be video 2. She's sitting there pretty good though. I got a good mix. And it's nice and juicy, so I'm going to take some of the juicier part of it and go ahead and just start laying it across here so it starts to fill up. Should have a different shovel, but this is just what I had. Some of those juices flowing down in that hole right there. Juice down into them holes. Good coat on this outside. Let's see, we got waterproof coat over here. more of that runs over the outside. It don't look that good, but I like what it's doing to it. It's just kind of dripping down the outside. All that juice. And the more you can massage that into them holes and them cracks, the more this thing's gonna hold. And it's gonna kind of work that out of you. And you'll bring a little side. So I'm gonna come flat across there. I watched it being done a lot. I was here when this was done, but I was a little boy. That little part right there had that big old gap, and I want to make sure that gets floated down in there real good, because it's going to have to kind of hold that whole crack. That's kind of what I was going to try to do to it right there. See what happens when I do this to it. good. That's how I'm going to leave it. Next video, I'll take that foam board off and see how that ended up looking. I'm sure it's going to be fine. There is going to be a little concrete ledge sticking in there. I need to juice that up a little bit like this. Float that down in there and get that jiggling down into the very cracks. See what it looks like tomorrow. Let me clean this mess up. I'll show you what that looks like from around here. What are you doing, Mama? What are you doing way out here? I think I'm going to take my water hose and just wash that off just one brick down. I like it being on that brick and that mortar joint in between those two bricks, even though that wasn't broke there. I think I'll just take and like get my little sprayer set about like that right there, and I think I'll get like this right here. Let me clean this mess up.